Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're going to go over the trades we took today in premium. So let's get into it. Coming into market open, I wanted to be bearish. We came up, took our buy sides out, and we had true day open, London and Asia below. We were also, after sweeping Asia, we were rejecting out of this -2 area. So yeah, our first trade was right around here. After we swept Asia, we got this change of state. Took a trade right here. Stops above there, or actually I had my stops a little closer, like halfway through the candle, but anyway, stops above there, targeting true day open as our first target, London, and then extended TPs were Asia. That would be like some crazy runner. True day open getting hit. I didn't take profits or anything. Break even, 54 points on this trade. This was the best trade of the day for me, at least, or not like pre-market and New York AM. I took a trade PM, which we'll go over in a second, but. And then our second trade was off the rejection of this previous leg here. Strictly rejection. I don't usually take these types of trades, but it was very beautiful. Off the 0.75, we got beautiful rejection. Entered strictly off rejection. Stops above this wick. Something like that. And we went in for another 40 points. Yeah, about 40 points. And then we got break evened again. And then our next trade, we came up, tapped into this -2.25, took another trade here, 1 minute OTE, 1 minute confirmation, and we took something like this, I'm pretty sure it was. Stops above here. We went into about another 50 ticks of profit. Oh, shit. 50 ticks of profit. And then we got break evened at market open. This one, it took 2 trades. I got break even at this initial... Because I entered off this right here. I got break even. We came down, went break even. We got whatever. Got break even there. Or something like this, I think. And we got break even. And then we re-entered right around here. And then this went into about 50 points. So every trade went into about 40 to 50 points of profit. One of them was just literally a break even or a loss, depending on if you went break even or not. I did call break even for this trade, though. And then when we opened up, I was still bearish. But we just kept pumping. There was no setups to go short. And then as soon as I got off stream, about 30 minutes after, we got this short play out right here and this short played out. And like I told everybody in premium, I'm only looking for shorts for the rest of New York AM. But yeah, no trades. I didn't signal any trades here. I did say like right here off the 1 minute change of state, you could have taken this. This was not that crazy. We reversed, tapped out, and then continued higher. But yeah, finally got those shorts right here. Could have taken off the 1 minute change and yeah, dumped back down. And yeah, that was right around this -4.5 area as well. And there's definitely some other standard deviation levels you could have used for this. Let me see if this one would have played. No, we went a little past this one. If you did wick to body here, it gave you that -3 to the tick. That would have been pretty good. But anyway, coming into PM, I took a long. We were just disrespecting every type of bearish confluence. We continued higher and higher, and I took, I think, a long right around here. We hit the 50%. We got a change of state. This was right after I came back from the gym. We got a change of state somewhere around here. Stops below this wick. Or were they below this wick? Or wait, we're on the 1 minute. We're on the 3 minute. Yeah, stops below this, and then I dragged them up after we put this new low in. And I'm pretty sure Trump tweeted out something. Obviously I got lucky. I trailed, and then eventually got stopped out somewhere around here in the middle here. Obviously wish I could have held a runner, but I just did one mini. I think Trump tweeted out something. I didn't really check news after. I just banked for about $1,800 across 4 accounts. And I got lucky. But, you know, the way you got to think of it, even though I did get lucky with it. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. My back. And I just hit my elbow. You got to put yourself in the line of luck. You know, if you didn't take this trade, you didn't get lucky. You know what I mean? You had to be on the market. You had to be in the trade. You had to see this beautiful, 50%, 1 minute OTE, whatever it was. Enter off that and see those longs play out. So for people that are saying, oh, you just got lucky, it's like, yeah, well, if you weren't on the charts and you didn't know the strategy and you didn't take a perfect setup, you wouldn't have got lucky. You got to put yourself in the line of luck to get lucky. So, yeah, beautiful trade, $1,700. I'm 3 days away from another $9,000 payout. That will be 3 $9,000 payouts within the last 16 to 17 days after these next 3 days, if I can get them straight in a row of 150. And yeah, they take about $3,000. So each payout's about $8,000. So it leads me around $25K in the last 17 days. So beautiful, beautiful trade, beautiful day. I'll see you guys for Asia tonight, and peace.